Did you know that the Coca Cola Company, started in 1886, produces around 3.1% of all beverages consumed worldwide every day? That's right. This global giant, conceived by John Stith Pemberton, has been quenching the world's thirst for over a century and a half. It's a surprising testament to the reach and influence of this remarkable beverage company. Can you imagine every day of every sip taken worldwide? Coca-Cola accounts for a staggering 3.1%. Now that's quite a thirst-quenching fact, isn't it? From a single soda fountain in Atlanta, Georgia, to a global giant, the journey of Coca-Cola is certainly a fascinating one. Let's take a step back to the late 19th century. In the year 1886, a humble pharmacist named Dr. John Stith Pemberton created a distinctive tasting soft drink now known as Coca-Cola. The first sales were made at Jacob's Pharmacy in Atlanta, marking the humble beginnings of a beverage that would take the world by storm. As we move into the early 20th century, enter Asa Griggs Candler, a businessman with a vision. Candler saw the potential in Pemberton's concoction and purchased the brand in 1891. With his aggressive marketing tactics and business acumen, Candler propelled Coca-Cola from a regional product to a national phenomenon in the United States. But the journey didn't stop there. The Roaring Twenties brought about a wave of change for Coca-Cola. The company introduced new beverages, expanding their portfolio beyond the signature Coca-Cola drink. This was a strategic move designed to cater to the diverse tastes of consumers around the globe. As the decades rolled on, Coca-Cola continued to innovate, always staying one step ahead of consumer trends. The company's expansion was not just limited to products, it also extended its geographical footprint. By the mid-20th century, Coca-Cola had become a household name, not just in the United States but around the world. The journey of Coca-Cola is a testament to the power of a unique product, backed by visionary leadership and relentless marketing. From its inception as a local soda, Coca-Cola has grown into a global brand, quenching the thirst of millions every day. Coca-Cola's journey shows us that with a unique product and a vision, a local business can truly go global. Fast forward to today, Coca-Cola stands as the world's largest beverage company, offering over 500 brands in more than 200 countries. The company's portfolio isn't just limited to its iconic cola. It includes a diverse range of beverages from teas and coffees to juices, water, and sports drinks. This extensive variety caters to different consumer tastes and preferences across the globe. Coca-Cola's influence on the beverage industry is undeniable. It has set standards, shaped trends, and pushed boundaries to maintain its leading position. Yet it's not just about business success. The company is also committed to sustainability, aiming to reduce its carbon footprint and water usage. Coca-Cola is innovating to create fully recyclable packaging and has set ambitious goals to improve water efficiency and climate protection. Indeed, the story of Coca-Cola is a testament to the power of branding and global reach. So what can we learn from Coca-Cola's journey? It's a tale of a local elixir evolving into a global icon, demonstrating the power of innovation, persistence, and strategic branding. Coca-Cola's reach spans the globe, influencing the beverage industry at every corner. Its journey reiterates the potential of a simple idea when fueled by determination and smart marketing. With a sip of its iconic drink, we not only taste a beverage, but also a story of innovation, persistence, and global branding. That's the real taste of Coca-Cola.